If budgeting makes you feel stressed, overwhelmed, or just plain bored, you're not alone. Same. I used to open budgeting apps, stare at a bunch of categories, and immediately I just give up. Then I discovered a simple rule that changed how I manage my money and finally made budgeting feel doable. And it is called the 70-20-10 rule. It might be the exact money system you've been looking for. Let's dive right in. Here is the thing. Most budget feels like a second job, if I'm being honest. You have to track every single transaction, you have to categorize them, and then somehow not feel bad when you go for your dining out and other fun activities. That didn't work for me. What I needed was something flexible, simple, and sustainable. So you may be wondering, what is this rule about? What are this rule you're talking about? I'm going to tell you right now. The 70-20-10 rule is a super simple way to manage your income. And that is 70% of your income goes for your living expenses. This could be your rent, food, your gas, utilities, and so on. 20% of your income goes for saving or your investment account. This is more like your future fund. 10% of your income is for your guilt-free fund, whatever you want. Maybe going for a concert, date night, you want to buy sneakers. No shame at all. It's not about restriction. It's about structure that give you freedom. How to use this rule? I'm going to be showing you a real example of how I apply the 70-20-10 rule. Let's dive into it. I'm going to show you how to apply the rule if you earn in dollar, and I'm going to show you how to apply the rule if you earn in naira. Let's say, for example, I earn $3,500 a month. Let me show you how to apply the 70-20-10 rule. Under this rule, I'm going to break it down like so. So $3,500 monthly. 70% of that, with 70% of $3,500 is $2,450. That's 70% goes straight to your essentials, your rent, your utility, your gas, all the essential things you need. And then 20% of $3,500 is $700, and that will go for your savings or your investment account, or you want to pay up some debt. So 10% of that amount is $350, and that could be for your fun, whatever you want. You want to buy sneakers, whatever fun things you want to buy. Your $350, it's okay for you to spend. You want to dine out, you're okay. No shame, no restriction. You just need to apply the 70-20-10 rule. So let's say I earn in naira. So let's assume I earn 200,000 naira. How am I going to apply this rule? I'm going to show you right now. Let's go into it. So 70% of 200,000 naira is 1,400, and that is for your essentials, like I mentioned earlier. 20% of 200,000 is 40,000 naira. So 40,000 naira, you're putting into a high yield savings account, or you're putting into your investment account to generate more income. Instead of leaving it idle in the bank, you put it in your investment account to generate income, or you put it in a high yield savings account that has reasonable interest and you gain money for savings. 10% of 200,000 naira is 20,000 naira, and that 20,000 could be your fun cash. You can use this to dine out, or you want to buy something for yourself. The 20,000 naira is okay for you. One thing to note, it is best to automate your savings right when you get paid, so you don't overthink, so you don't think about it, and so you don't even miss it. So once you receive your salary, you pay yourself first, which is the 20%. That 20%, you move it immediately. You automate it so you don't think about it. Here is a twist. What if my expenses are over 70%? How do I apply the rules? If you're spending 80% or 90% of your income on essentials, there are two things involved. One, it is a sign that you're living above your means, or you just need to earn more. Don't stress about it. Start small. Even doing the 60-30-10 rule, Or you could do the 80-15-5 rule, and then you progress. The key is being intentional. You don't have to be perfect about it. You just have to be aware. Why does this rule work? This rule works because it's simple and it forces you to prioritize paying yourself first. Most people pay bills, then spend, then save whatever is left. The wealthy people do the opposite. The 70-20-10 rule flips the script. It puts you in control of your money. So like I said before, start small and progress. So if you've ever struggled with budgeting, try the 70-20-10 rule this month. Just track it once a week. That is it. If this video gave you a new way to think about your money, give it a like. It helps more people find it. And hey, drop a comment below. Are you going to be trying this? Or do you already have a system that works for you? Feel free to share your experience in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.